Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. So the SUI chart is currently following here the projection to the upside that I shared with you yesterday, or rather the wave count, and we are moving towards this target area, which is starting at $2.97. So it seems likely that we're going to get there. Especially for wave 5, it would be ideal. I mean, the yellow scenario in which we're tracking a 5-wave move up, it would be ideal for the price to move to $2.97. At least we're nearly there. Only a few more cents needed to reach the first ideal target for the 5th wave. So $2.97 and then $3.09. These are the next ideal levels to the upside that wave 5 in yellow should reach. Yeah? So then we can call that a first upside impulse, even though the wave 4 was deeper than ideal and the 5th wave is now unfolding. Yeah, but it would be a super ugly 5-wave move, but sometimes they are ugly. On the smaller time frames especially, you sometimes get quite a lot of distortions, especially in the cryptocurrency sector. So yeah, I would not be surprised if we just form here 5 waves and it's just ugly, and then we start the wave 2 pullback afterwards, and then we break out. That can happen. That is one of the scenarios I'm tracking. As I said, I think caution is required because the move to the upside is a very ugly 5-wave move. Now, important is to point out, if we get closer to $3.25, then the potential that this entire move up is simply an ABC structure will increase. So as I said, at the moment, we can see it as a potential 5-wave move up in the making. But this pullback was so deep that it reached a standard support area for a B wave. So it could very well be that this is simply a 3-wave move up, a 3-wave move down, and we're now pushing higher. So again, I did highlight to you that the 22nd of June low has the potential to be a more substantial low. As long as we're holding this support zone, which I called weak support, the price, however, still reacted to it, here between $2.42 and $2.58. Now, we have been moving up now over the last few days, and we now have to pay very, very close attention to how the price reacts to this target zone, which, as I said, starts at $2.97. I think we should stretch probably a little higher, but I don't want to see the price above $3.09 in the yellow count. If it happens, it will be more likely the white count, yeah, which means it's morphing into an ABC structure instead of a 5-wave move up. Both possible, both point still towards further upside in the very short term. It doesn't make sense yet to add support for wave 2 in yellow because we haven't got 5 waves up yet, yeah, so, and we have no evidence of a top. So I will keep an eye on the structure here. It's a key spot that we've now reached. Absolute key spot, because the move to the upside could be 5 or 3 waves. And that will be decided likely in this blue box here. Maybe over the coming sessions. So that's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, additional setups, and so on. You can ask questions. I often reply. Check it out. The link is in the description. We build a community here as well. And it's also linked in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.